Oh, iniwasan si King. Oy! Veteran Wood. Rebound by Alex again. Inalalay, wala. Tinira, wala rin. Dami rebound doon. Ito si Carlo. Oy! Tumal. Ni MVP. Mr. Serrano. Oh, ha? SBB. Dire-diretso matatalayan na ng lambanin. Dumigay, Tingin. 2 points! Sabi ko sa'yo, matatalayan na kaganda ng dami. Oo, ha? Oo. Nadala. Ayan si Bao. Ang pagtingin ay. Hindi. Bola mo rin ng blue. Okay, inbound. Raul, dribbling against the 30 ball. Okay. Cross pass to King for 3. Good. Rebound, Easy. MVP bringing down the ball. Gives it to the lead. The 30 boy gives it back into Easy. To left of on the other side for 3. Good. Putting down by Carlo. Steven holding foul by Yuzi, the MVP. Foul Yuzi. Second personal foul. First team foul by the yellow team. Hey! Tumama ka? Eric Serrano, bringing down the ball. Oy! Iniwas. Pati si Kanya patulak ko. Hindi ka na sinasadyaran ko. Hindi nasadya. Sabi ang bigla lang eh.
Time remaining 8 minutes and 28 seconds.
Okay. King, good with the ball. Looking for a teammate, gives it to Mao. With the open look, gives it to Raul on the low post. Fade away, turn around the look, rebound by Kashiwa. Fade away, up.
Bakit?
What's happening? Foul number 10, David. Warning, number 10. Blue ball.
Level play.
Mahirap, mamaya. Hindi ko nakita rin. Hindi nakita.
Okay, makikita natin sa replay. Okay, bawal. Passes to King. Gives it back to Bao. King. On the post. Hey! That's not by Bao. Hey, Serrano. Hey, what? The King is not gives it to King. King on the middle. Gives it back to Carlo for 3 points. No good. Rebound by Eugene, the MVP. Gives it back to King. On the other side to Lex for the open 3. No good. Rebound by Raul. This dribbling against Lex. The steal by Lex. Let's bring it on board. Gives it back to Eugene. Gives it back to Lex. For the layup. No good. Rebound by Roy. 2 points. Roy. Oops. The nearest steal by Lex.
Score 73-60 in favor of Yellow.
Looking for a teammate, Raul. Trying to look for a teammate, down the block.
10 seconds, shot clock.
On the baseline, executing to copy Raul for the KO.
6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter.
The steal by Raul. Ano yan? Yellow ball, last touch by Bao. Okay. Nice hustle by Bao. The team. Using on the wings, the top by Bow. Bow showing us some good defense. And there's Patini on the middle. Gives it back to Eugene for 3 points. Eugene, 3 points.
Score 76-68 in favor of yellow. 8-14.
There's Steve on the wings. Shoots for 3. Right off it out. Right rebound. Gives it to Eugene. Eugene trying to set the tempo of the game. Looking for his teammates. Uses the block.
10 seconds shot clock.
Gives it to the cutting legs on the other side. And then foul. First for the strong leg and good. 2 points by Carlo. The team gives it to the wing. Oops, the defense by Bow. Last touch by Bow.
10 seconds shot clock.
Up, the team. Up, gets the shot. Gives it back to Lance for 3. No good. Rebound by 1. The back pick to Bow. For the layup is good.
Score 76-72. Steve in favor of yellow.
Up. Okay.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Patini bringing down the ball, gives it to Eric. Up, tap. But the covered by Patini, gives it to Lance. Oh! A 3-second violation. By LLP.
Timeout left. 1 for yellow, 2 for blue.
King is bringing down the ball. Gives it to Carl, gives it to the outside, puts that new on, good for 3. And it's time for the kick. Foul by York. Roy first for the foul, 40 foul by Yellow team.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 41 seconds.
First shot no good. Second shot is good.
Score 76-73. 3 points lead by yellow.
And that's what we bring down the ball, gives it to Eugene. Eugene gives it back to the middle of the Kopi for the 2-point shot is good. And on the outside, gives it to Bawal. Bawal in the middle, gives it to Raul. Raul dribbling the ball, looking for teammate. And gives it on the middle to Bawal, gives it to Gil. Gives it back to Raul. Raul on the low post, takes the shot, it's so good.
4 minutes in the buzzer.
And it's a big that's it.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Carlo, first personal foul, second foul. Selex, sanay sa kanila.
Oy, hindi sila. Okay. Bawa. Okay, on. Kick.
10 seconds shot clock.
Up, setting the play. Raul, working on the low ball. No good. Release. Up, right, pass it outside. Recovery by Kyle. Oy! Sinabalan. 7. Up, driving by Saturday.
3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in the ball game. Score 79-73. 6-point Baliero.
Continuing. Up. Foul King. First person foul. Second big foul.
Irene, 2 minutes and 52 seconds.
Up. Delivering right. Up. Delivering right. Oh. The foul by Bawal. First personal foul, third big foul. Up, Sudini on the other side to Serrano. The spin move with the pendulum shot is good.
Score 81-70 in favor of Baliero.
Walang naman. Up, Carlo. Tumakay! Yan, bilis. Rebound. Up. Next. Isa lang daw sa Eugene. Lamang sila ng 8. Tama ba? Wala ba? Okay.
10 seconds.
Give it to Gutini. To the low post. Give it back to Gutini.
5 seconds.
And Serrano. To the low post. Eugene. Big goal. Shot clock. Violation. Pass with Carlo. Carlo against his brother. No good. But the foul by Roy. Second personal foul by Roy. Penalty.
Last 2 minutes na.
Yes.
The presence of Brooklyn inside. Deliver Lamar.
This ball game is brought to you by Liberate. Liver Lover Boy.
81-75.
The point guard, fresh from the bench.
Last 2 minutes.
Sponsored by
Last 2 minutes.
The 2 minutes is brought to you by Ginebra San Miguel.
Grand Matador.
Score 81-75. 6-point lead by Baliero.
There's Mr. Buki.
Shot clock. 8 seconds.
Ups. Eric Serrano.
4, 3,
Pull ups. Nada. Oh, and the recovery by Eugene. Eugene up, takes the 3. Wasting his time.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Ay! Nakabawin mo nun. Ay! Sayang.
1 minute and 25 seconds remaining in the ball game.
Okay. Mag-waste time na yun. Up. Defense. Up. Yun, may Eugene. Eugene brings the pass. Okay, that's the baseline.
10 seconds shot clock.
Boogie for 3. That miss was brought to you by Matador. That rebound was brought to you by Red Horse Beer. 2 for 2. Very good. Time. Yellow team.
Last time out, Leo. Last time out.
That timeout was brought to you by The Bar. I love The Bar.
James Brand. Angelica. Score 81-77. 4-point lead by yellow. Time remaining in the ball game 48 seconds. And 4.81 seconds left. 4-point lead by yellow.
Apat na lang. 4 points na lang yan, ha? Defense. Okay. Crucial. Defense. Hops, Arlo. Hops, Rating, Eric. Oh, si Eric, diretso lang. Hindi ka na. Ayan na. Si Eric,
40 seconds.
And Eric Serrano. Grab the turnaround game. Ay! Almost just taking it. Finish that. Still Raul. And it's a big Raul. Doing it. Foul number 11. 2 shots for Raul. Foul by Buki.
Time remaining in the ball game 26.1 seconds.
That foul was brought to you by our Borderline Mentor.
Sana ang sponsor.
Oh, first game goal is good.
Dalawa pa tayo ng view, ha? Dalawa.
Second free goal is good. Okay, correction, 2-point lead pa rin ang yellow team. Using third foul penalty. Nice hustle by King. Ano to? Hindi ba penalty? Penalty foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. King, ilang foul si King? Ilang foul si King? Second personal foul King. Defense. Up, gives it to next, holding the ball. Oh! Foul by Carlo. Penalty. Tama? 5 foul, penalty.
Time remaining 12.8 seconds.
Oh, that's really good. Carlo, 3 fouls.
12.8 seconds remaining in the ball game. 2.8 by yellow.
Okay, basket time ba? Basket time. Oh!
Time remaining in the ball game 9.6 seconds. Our score 83-80. 2.8 by yellow. Time remaining in the ball game. 12.8 seconds. 2.5 yellow.
And then the Kiros on the outside gives it to Carlos. Carlos reaching the ball almost on the outside. Takes a 3 points and makes it.
Time remaining in the ball game. 2.7 seconds. 3.25 yellow. Next shooting for 2.
Okay. That free throw is the name of the coffee. Ayun ang icing.
Timeout blue.
Nagiging na coffee na. Sinipa.
3.7 seconds remaining in the ball game. 5.35 yellow. 85-80.
Bukas may laban ng white team. Hindi ko alam. Bukas, announcement, may laban ng white team against sa team ni Cebu. Yung mga bata, mga liliit, yung laban ng white team bukas ha. Okay. 3.7 seconds left. Give it to Amiga for 3. Oh! 3! Up. Binigay ni Nick. Pick now. Nice. Pwede pa.
85-83. 2.25 yellow. 4.5 seconds remaining in the ball game.
Nice shot!
Sino yung nag 3 points kanina?
Momo. Nice shot! Yan ang mga tututuro ko sa'yo, buti na gagamit mo. Okay, ganun na cover. Ganun na cover. The icing on the cake. Hey!
Final score 87-83. 4.3 by yellow.
Nice shot.
Okay, awarding.
Yellow.